What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today I'm in my seat. I changed the direction of the camera a little bit. I got a little Japanese rising sun background, and I'm doing some Assetto Corsa for you guys. So I hope you like this angle, this view that I'm using. And just let's go. So here we are in Assetto Corsa. As you can see, I got an orange BMW with a JDM style body kit. Now it looks a lot like mine. It's not the same, also different wheels and not white wheels. Interior is different. But one of the guys in the community that I know, he was like, yeah, I'll modify low-key a little bit, and he just gave me the Tendo Buddies body of the car, like the visuals, and he just applied his own physics on there, which is, it's like it says it's a 328i turbo. There's no turbo to be seen nowhere, but it's still low powered. It's more power than I have, and I have a version that is more low powered, but I think this is a really good fun. I need to put on my headset so you guys don't get deaf. Also, a very cool thing is that this map is called The Snake. It's not out as long as some of the other tracks. It's fairly new, and he used sort of photo technology to make this track. So this is like a California-based track, and he only did mainly like that what you can see where you drive on, and then there's some rough edges, so don't judge this map. This is like the V0.1 version, but I like it a lot because I like these type of driving roads, so to say. Also, they're good fun for drifting. Not this part though, way too straight. Nope, corner coming up. This is driftable. As you can see, third gear is not having it. Unless I throw it in a little bit hard, but still it dies out. Since I have a lot of speed to carry that through. And then I wasn't paying attention. Oh, man. But here, second gear just rips. Oh! That's a screwed up. Also, no takes, just one cut, and no cuts, one take. That's what I'm trying to say. I can try to make this run look like I'm perfect, but the fact of the matter is, I'm not. And don't let that stop you for trying to do what you like, trying to achieve. I'm better than this though, damn it. Those trees really fucked me up there. There we go. But I think the part that is done looks amazing. And as soon as the on the stair, as soon as the scenery is like all done. Come on. I think this is a very cool map to like drive in VR, because it's I love the more real roads. If that makes any sense, I like the real kind of roads a little bit more as those type of like fake circuits. Because especially if I play them in VR, I'm not in VR right now, but if I do, these are the best type of roads, that like the most immersive. Especially if they're like in my own country, so they use my type of, or our type of street signs and stuff. Also, talking, commentating, and driving or drifting or whatever, it's two different things, and it's very hard to combine them. But let's see what happens if I shut up. I need something more power for this track though. No, 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 no. Big rock. Still gonna make it to the top though. I'm not gonna reset. If this was BeamNG, it would have been done for already. Are you serious? Then this is me thinking, should I even upload this? Because, I mean, I was accepting a few mistakes, but just messing up one of the best corners. Come on. Yep. This is top. This is terrible. I'm ashamed, I'm embarrassed. You know what? I'll be right back with a different car. So, here we are back with the S14. I really love the S14, especially this one, the Slide Boys version. It has a lot of horsepower and crazy angle. And let's just redeem myself. So as a close-up of this video, I'm just gonna, I wanted to say stop talking, but as soon as something pops into my head, I'm gonna start talking. But I'm gonna try to stop talking, or at least talk less, and do a more proper run that I just showed you guys that I was almost embarrassed for. Also, I don't know the track. I've done it, this is the third time now. Just did it on my own spare time, and I was like, yeah, I should do a video on this, because this is pretty cool. And people should check this out and I think support it. You see, as soon as I start talking, I start crashing. There's a weird hole there. But I'm just gonna stand still. As more and more people support this type of stuff, the more and more this technology will be used, and we get a lot of good quality tracks and just like real life places that have been brought into a setup. So I highly support this and I love it. And now back to the drifting. Oh, might have just almost crashed it there. This track is very narrow. Don't let it be fooled. And it's bumpy, and like there's camber on both sides of the road. This is not an easy track to drift on. Could have made it a lot easier for myself. I think we're almost there. I have no idea. Oh no, we get that big bank corner. Stop talking, start drifting. No view, my tire is gonna last to the top. Oh wait, this is that. Oh, we're almost there then. There we are. Well, apart from the parts where I talked, but I think I've sort of redeemed myself. Okay, the car is a little bit, I don't know if it's necessarily easier, but you have a lot more power to lean on instead of just throwing it with the weight and just clutch kicking, and there's nothing there as like with the BMW. It's a really fun car, but more on like small tracks, so I shall demonstrate that in a later video when we're in the lobby with some friends. But for now, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. If you have any cool track suggestions that I should try out, or cars or whatever, then leave them down in the comments. Really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Whether you like it or not.